guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with some new ColourPop products. We have some new shades of the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stains, and we saw these Cherry Crush collection. Now we have a full line of them, which is super exciting. I kind of had a feeling they were going to do that. So I'm going to be doing lip swatches of all 9 shades today. I have had a chance to play around with this formula already from the last collection, and I really loved the ones from the Cherry Crush collection. I was wearing the one that I wore in the video. I forgot which one it was called, but I was wearing that one for like a while. After filming that video, I wore it like the next day, and I really liked the formula, so I'm excited to see some new shades in here. There's also some nudes, which is always super exciting. I don't know when these are launching. As of right now, there's no like launch date or anything. They haven't posted it on Instagram, but I've been seeing like the other like repost accounts post them, but right now there is no official launch date. I feel like they might just do like a surprise drop on Thursday, which would be the 8th, I think. Yeah, which would be the 8th, but I'm not exactly sure. I will keep you guys updated with the launch date. I think these were $8 on the Cherry Crush collection, so I'm assuming they'll be at the same price. As always, you guys can use my code, it's just Katrina, and it'll save you 10% off the ColourPop website. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let me read you guys some little info about the products really quick. I'll show you guys some of the shades, and then we'll get into the lip swatches. So it says it's a hybrid lip formula. There's a fresh take on a classic lip product with double the benefits, drenching lips with an antioxidant-rich next level color that stays fresh all day. It combines the long-lasting powers of a lip stain with the shine of a gloss last all day long. Packed with vitamin-rich guava extract and lychee extract, both known to fight free radicals and keep lips feeling fresh. Hydrating water-based formula delivers medium to buildable coverage with a non-drying glossy finish for a juicy bitten look. So like I said, I did already try this formula from the ones in the last collection, and I really liked it. I felt like they weren't drying or anything. They weren't transfer proof. I did get that comment in my video from the last one, but they are not transfer proof, but they don't move around, even though they're like a glossy formula. I didn't notice them like moving around or anything like that. They just really do leave a stain with also this kind of nice like gloss finish to it, but it's not overly glossy or anything. It actually did really last all day long. Even when I did swatches, the swatches like stained my hand, so they do stain. They are a true lip stain, so but I felt like they were super comfortable on the lips. They weren't drying. They did make my lips feel like nice and hydrated and fresh. To mention really quick, I've said this in other lip swatch videos, but I do not have pigmented lips. So a lot of times the actual color of the lip product is pretty much what it looks like on my lips. It's pretty true to color. Obviously, lip products look different on everyone because everyone's lip pigmentation is a little bit different. For me, there is not much pigment to my lips at all, so I usually do get that like true color on my lips. I am going to go from like lightest to darkest, so hopefully it's not going to be too much of an issue with the colors because they are lip stains, you know. So you guys the shades really quick. I'll go through them super quickly, and then I'll just show you guys the lip swatches. So we have Sugar Snap, which is a nude, like a brownie nude. Then we have Twice Shy, which is a little bit more of a warmer reddish brown nude color. Then we have Ice Pop. This one's more of like a pinky mauve. Our First Bite, which is a little bit more of like a terracotta kind of color. Rollout, which is a pinky red. Then we have Big Apple, which is I wouldn't say it's like an apple red. It definitely is a red, but I almost kind of see like a purple undertone to it. We have Cherry Up. This one looks like a deeper brownie mauve tone. And we have Berry Ripe, true like purple berry color. Last but not least, we have Tutti Frutti, which is like a deep like reddish purpley color, but this one is really deep, so I'm excited to see what this one looks like because you guys know I love these types of colors. So let's go ahead and get into the lip swatches so you guys can see what they look like on the lips.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't it's easy is when you're lying with me. I twist up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need.
Okay, so those are all 9 shades of the Glossy Lip Stains. I will say that they do stain for sure. Like, I'm sure you guys could see when I was taking each one off, my lips were very stained underneath. So they do stain, which is good. That is what they are. They are a lip stain, so I'm not mad at that. I do feel like most of these run a little bit more on the pinkier side. Maybe it's just on me, I don't know, but I feel like a lot of them looked more like pinky undertone to me, on me at least, but it could also be like just the stain that it left behind and then like putting more on top of like the stain that it left. I tried to like cover up my lips with like foundation, but like it just wasn't working. But I am wearing the last one that I was wearing, which was Tutti Frutti. It looks like it's gonna be a lot darker in the like component than it does on the lips, which I'm fine with. I think it's actually a really pretty color. I love this. I really liked the like first ones that I was wearing, like the more like brownie toned ones, and the other ones were really pretty too, but I definitely like the more like brown ones. And then I really liked this one, and I liked the Big Apple one, which was funny because I said like before I like put them on, this one didn't look like that much of like an appley red shade, but like once it was on, it definitely did. But I do think they look a little different than they do like in the actual component. Like I feel like they're a little bit brighter than they look in the packaging, but that's, I mean, I'm not mad at them. I really like them. I like the formula a lot, and they feel super comfortable. They kind of have like this really like water, they say they're water based, so I could definitely like tell, like they definitely feel like you're kind of just applying water. But like I said, they aren't like transfer proof. Like they do transfer, so don't go into these thinking like they're gonna like not transfer and stuff. They do leave a stain though, so like once you probably like eat and stuff, like the gloss kind of goes away. But from just wearing the other ones last time, I feel like they did last a pretty long time, even like the gloss portion of it. But yeah, they do leave a nice like stain behind, and I really like the way that this one looks. But yeah, so those are all of the shades. Which one did you guys like the most? I really like this one. I think it's such a pretty color. I love these types of reds. Like I said, I don't know when these are exactly launching yet, but I will leave that down below for you guys when I do find out, and when they are available, I'll link them down below for you guys too. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.